Hello guys and welcome to today's market recap. Today I didn't took any trades. I stayed out of the market though, but there was actually no setup, and I really think that I got pretty lucky for not taking a trade today because I had a lot of shit to do and I was very busy today. But I was never busy for the charts. You know something? This is the something that I'm gonna tell you or guarantee you that I will never be busy for the charts. I always be busy on the charts. Okay, so moving on, my daily bias. So if we go into the daily time frame, also before we go into the daily fucking bias, please bro, fucking hit that subscribe button, bro. I'm gonna smash your fucking face, bro. Click that subscribe button, bro. You don't lose any fucking thing. It's not fucking paid, bro. I didn't told you go fucking subscribe to YouTube Premium, bro. Just fucking click on that subscribe button, bro. It helped me a lot. Bro. I'm not even motivated to do videos. I have a lot of shit to do in my day. Like, I work all day long from the work that I already in, and from trading, I always go to trading, and then I study some languages. I study some languages. I don't have any left time for myself except for from 8 p.m. till fucking 10 p.m. until I sleep. And then I wake up at 5 a.m. looking at the market. Like, bro, and uploading the fucking YouTube videos that I'm doing now in the night. What the fuck are you talking about? Bro, just fucking hit that subscriber, bro. I'm not fucking complaining, but bro, look, it's good to my head. So, sorry about that, but I really annoyed you with that shit. But please, bro, please just hit that subscribe button, bro. Okay. Moving on to the daily time frame. Okay. So on the daily time frame, we were bullish. We were trading in a bullish trend. The day before yesterday, on Tuesday, we broke the structure to the downside on the daily time frame. With that, we completed going bearish yesterday. And with that, I wanted to see on the 4 hours some imbalances get filled and then potentially complete the move to the downside. So basically, I am bearish for the day. I wanted to see some retracement though, but then I wanted to see the continuation of the bearish trend or the bearish momentum of the trend to the downside. And that did not happen, and I was actually about to enter a trade, but I did not because like we took out those buy-side liquidity, took out all of those buy-side liquidity. And then we left with some imbalances right here. Okay, so with that, if we go into the hourly time frame, we have these hourly lows, and these hourly lows as well. So on the Asian session, we came down, we sweep out all of those lows. Actually, the move for the day was actually on it was actually on Asian session. Okay, on Asian session. Okay, with that, we continued the move to the upside. With the start of London session, we completed the move to the downside, to the upside, and then we reached this 4-hour imbalance. And with that's the thing that I was looking to take a trade on. Okay, so if we go into the 4 hour, it looks like we are sweeping on liquidity. Also, we filled out this 4 hour fairly gap. Also, in the hourly time frame, we have these highs that got swept literally after New York session opened. And then if we go into the 15-minute time frame, you can see that we broke the structure to the downside. Okay, so the setup, it looks like this. We invalidated this bullish fairly gap, we broke the structure to the downside, we created this 15-minute gap, and this is what saved me from losing this trade. And we also have this bearish breaker block lifting with us. So what I want to see is a retracement back to this fair value gap and then a break of structure again. If we go into the 5-minute time frame, we never ended up invalidating this gap to make the price continue the move to the downside and potentially continue the downtrend. Okay, the downtrend. So that move literally saved me from losing this trade because I was looking to take shorts, because the overall daily bias, I had it back in my mind that my daily bias is bearish. So I thought that price will continue the rebalancing into some imbalances and then continue the move to the downside, and that did not work. And waiting patiently for my setup just saved me from losing a useless trade that I was going to enter. And yeah, that's why patient pays. Stay patient for your entry and never rush in, because you never know, the price is going to retrace back into that fair value gap that you thought that price will not retrace back into it. Okay, price will retrace back, trust me, bro. You gonna see, let's say I don't know, let's say you saw a fair value gap like this one and you said, oh fuck no, price won't retrace back into this fair value gap, and then you entered. You kept waiting, and then you didn't saw like the price retrace back into this fair value gap, and then you say, okay, I'm in. I won't be. I don't want to be missing on this trade. And then you enter right here. I don't know about you. You may be setting your stop loss at around these highs, maybe, and then boom, you got stopped out, but your bias was right. So you need to be aware of that. That if you have something, a plan in the back of your mind, please trust it. Do not rush. Do not fucking chase trades. Have you ever went to the bus station and then the bus just ran out without waiting for you? Are you going to fucking chase that bus, or are you going to sit on your ass and wait for another bus to come in? Are you going to you stopped a taxi and it didn't stop for you? Will you go fucking chase that taxi, bro? No, bro, it doesn't work like that. You need to sit on your ass, look at the chart, or look at the fucking street or something. Look for another taxi or look for another bus. That's the thing with trading. It's literally the same exact thing. It is literally the same exact thing. So you need to stay on your ass, wait for the chance to come in, wait for your setup to roll in, and wait for your model to appear, and then you enter the trade. Okay, I don't want you guys to be emotional traders. I don't want you guys to be FOMO traders. We want all to be good fucking solid traders who doesn't care about emotions, who doesn't care about chasing trades or none of that bullshit. Okay, none of that bullshit. Okay, you got that thing, I think. Also, if we go into USD JPY, let's say Cardano, USD JPY, pretty much the same exact thing. I didn't saw my setup right here. Okay, if we go into the daily time frame to spot on my daily bias for the day, so the daily is bullish, the quite opposite of GJ. So the daily is bullish. We're still maintaining the bullish order flow, and then if we go into the 4-hour time frame, we are also maintaining the bullish order flow. So before Asian session opened, yesterday we come down, we swept out these lows, okay, then we continue the move what the fuck is this, then we continue the move to the upside, okay. And then if we go into the hourly time frame, this is my trading window. So this is Asian session price came up, did not took out this liquidity, and then on London session we did took out this liquidity, and we risked some London session lows, some Asian session lows to sweep out, and then we did not. And then at the start of New York session, I kept waiting for price to hit any of the key levels, and then we had these London session highs. Price never ended up going higher to take out these London session highs, and never also ended up going lower and take out these London session lows. So the situation is here is we never ended up sweeping any buy side liquidity, and we never ended up sweeping any sell side liquidity. So the situation is neutral. So I won't be entering any trade. It's right that my bias is bullish for the day, but the same exact thing, the move already happened on Asian session. So that's the thing with forex. It's not the same. It's not the same exact thing with indices, or futures. Or let's say if you trade Nasdaq or NQ or ES, you have your time. Like at the start of New York session, most of the volatility start then, and then you're gonna wait for your setup by that time. But on forex, there's 3 major sessions that price is going to be volatile on 3 of them. And then you don't know what is the session that price is going to make the move for the day. You got that? The price only do one daily move for the day. Is it going to be on Asian session? Is it going to be on London session? Or is it going to be on New York session? and that is the reason why I like 4 months ago or 5 months ago, I was literally staying looking at the charts from London session till New York session, because I didn't know that I need to only trade one session if the move already happened for the day. That means no trading day for me without wasting more time. Or if the move didn't even happen yet, then potentially it is going to happen on the session that I'm looking for. So I don't need to waste time looking at Asian session. I don't have to fucking wake up at fucking 1 a.m. to look at the charts till New York session. No, bro, that's so fucking dumb, and pretty much you're going to lose that trade. Okay, so my suggestion for you and for myself also is I set it myself up to now only trade one singular session per day. Never look at the charts on two sessions. Never, never, never. I do my pre-market analysis on Asian session. Cool, that's cool, because I wake up early, I set up all of my chart, I set up my key levels and everything, and I close everything and I go to work, and then once I go back home, it's already like New York session for me. So I see what key levels go hit, and based on that I refine my daily bias, and then I generate my new daily bias and look for the market from another perspective of what happened on London session or during London session and during Asian session as well. So with that, I'm going to adapt that to the current market condition or to the current price action, and then try to adapt from that to try to look for my buys. Is it still the same? Is anything changed? If we swept out any lows or session highs or session lows, if we did anything or any kind of thing of that. So yeah, that's it for today's market recap. I really hope that you guys got benefit from this video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. If you can share it to your beginner friend who is still like suffering from FOMO and can't wait for his setup to properly appear. So send this to him. It will help him. I think it will help him a lot. And yeah, that's it. Remember guys, you always need to backtest and journal. Do not let that advice out of your mind. Always backtest and journal. Even if you're winning trades, do not say like I'm the best traders in the world and I got this shit. No, you don't. You didn't got this shit. You need to keep backtesting. If you already backtested like multiple fucking hours, keep fucking backtesting, bro. Do not look at the point and then you see yourself like, I got a winning streak. Then what, nigga? I'm black. Do not fucking take me on that shit. I'm African, though. I am African. So yeah, it's not racism or anything. It's friendly, you know. It's friendly. Me and my black friends also say that to each other, and they gave me the pass. So it's not that big of problem here, actually. We don't look at things like most of the US does, but yeah, fuck it. Okay, see you soon, guys. I really hope that you guys like this video. So if you do, just drop a thumbs up and drop that subscribe. It will help me a lot. And yeah, that's it for today's video, man. I really hope you guys benefit from this video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, boys. I love and appreciate you.